Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to be signed into your platform and have Rockstar Social Club linked. That unlocks friend features. Once in GTA Online, open the Social or Interaction menu immediately and navigate to the Friends tab. Use the in-game search or your platform friends overlay to find the player by gamertag or Social Club ID. Make sure you confirm the correct profile. Many players use similar names, so you don't send requests to the wrong person. Now that you have the target profile open, send a friend request or invite them to your crew. This creates a persistent link for future sessions. If you want immediate play, choose Invite to Session or set up a private session to control access. Keep an eye on pending requests inside Rockstar Social Club and your platform friends list. Acceptances sometimes list under notifications. Once they accept, use the in-game quick invite or join options. When the request is accepted, join them from your Friends tab or use your platform's Join Game option. This teleports you into their session. If you can't find them, ask the friend to set their session to invite only and resend the invite so you bypass public matchmaking. If invitations fail, relog both clients, check NAT settings and firewall, and confirm the social club link is active. These steps fix most connectivity issues. If that still fails, restart the console or PC and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.